Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the stuff that I got from the Model Centre in their massive 50% off recommended retail price sale. And today we're looking at EFE Tiger wagons. I got E87015, E87016 and E87017. I did put the order in for the E87014, which was weathered by TMC themselves, but I then got an email saying that they couldn't find any in stock, even though their stock level said they did have them. So I didn't get that. So I've only got 3 when I wanted 4. These are very hard to take out the box. So anyone that's getting these, you have to basically open both ends and try as gently as possible to push them out, because they really are tight. This one I've got in front of me is the number 015. That wasn't too bad, because the box is actually a bit different. But the 016 and 017, they were so tight in the boxes, it's unbelievable. I've never seen anything so tight inside a box before. So they come in the normal ice cube style packaging, and these come with a little bag of, I think, brake pipes. These are. So I'll just take it out of its box. Ugh. There's a lot of this plastic sheeting around it. These are come pre-weathered by the factory. A lot of detail on them. Hell of a lot of detail. The handrails there. Brake wheel. And you've got these pipes that go across here. I've noticed on my other two that here it's a bit loose. Needs to be glued in. I'm not sure if this one's the same. I think it is. I think it is a bit loose there. Not too bad. You have to really look closely to see that they're actually loose. And then here there's a hell of a lot of detail as well. Need to get the camera on my phone to try and focus in on it. A lot of pipes. Another detail on it. You can read all the stuff there. All the plates. All the warning signs. See, there's a lot of detail, a hell of a lot of detail on these. This is probably why they're so expensive. But with only paying $27.48 each, that was at half retail price, which is really good for the wagon that you get with all the details that's on it. Right, I'll just put it on the track then and we'll see all three together. This is 015. This is a 016. And a 017. Some great detail on them. This is what it looks from the other side. You can read that writing. They say they're all factory weathered. You'd never see these clean on the line. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the bell icon so you can get notification of my new videos that go up. And I'll say goodbye for now, and leave some comments, and I always reply to my comments. Until the next video, everyone take care, be safe. Bye for now.